Is your blog traffic feeling a bit stagnant? You're doing all the SEO things like keywords, meta descriptions, but your content's still gathering digital dust. Here's a thought. Maybe you're writing for Google, not for the actual human on the other side of the screen. We all get it. As small business owners, blogging can feel like a maze, right? Optimize, sprinkle keywords, build backlinks. But when SEO becomes an obsession, it creates an invisible wall. Imagine trying to read a book designed for a machine, very robotic and repetitive. That's what happens when content loses its soul, pushing real people away. Your audience isn't looking for keyword density, they're looking for answers, insights, and connections. So, how do we fix it? It starts with a radical shift. Empathy over algorithms. Who is your reader? What keeps them up at night? What are their pain points, their aspirations? Think of your blog as a conversation with a trusted friend. Take Sarah, for example, learning email marketing. She doesn't want technical jargon. She wants simple step-by-step guidance. That's human-centric writing. Ready for some actionable strategies? First, always start with the reader's question, not just a keyword. Instead of SEO best practices, try struggling with blog traffic. Here's how to fix it. See the difference? Second, tell stories. Humans are wired for them. A quick anecdote makes your advice stick. Third, write conversationally. Use you and I. Ask questions. Make it feel like a chat, not a lecture. Fourth, break up your text. Short paragraphs, lots of subheadings. Make it easy to digest. Nobody likes a wall of text online like a newspaper. Fifth, bold keyword phrases for impact, not just for keywords. Highlight those crucial takeaways. And finally, always provide actionable steps and practical examples. Show them how to do it. This isn't just about getting clicks. It's about building trust. Trust is the currency of the internet, especially for small businesses. When you're authentic, when you genuinely help, readers engage, share, and ultimately they buy from you. Google's algorithms are smart and they're increasingly rewarding positive user experience. So, writing for humans is the future of SEO. Use keywords to understand what people are searching for, then use your unique voice to deliver the best possible answer. As Anne Handley says, make your marketing so good that people want to consume it. Your blog should be an experience. Stop writing for robots. Write for the person on the other side of the screen. Their engagement, their trust, their loyalty, those are your greatest rewards. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.